Hello everyone! I think we are live. 6 seconds. Okay, let me just check bosses kung live na tayo ngayon sa ating group. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng konting technical problem with setting up eCam. Ang dami na namang bago sa settings nila. But anyway, without further ado, we are going to start now. I think we are both live in this group community, and then at the same time we are also live on our YouTube channel Princess Wylene. So let me just check. Let me see everyone kung live na nga ba tayo sa tamang destinasyon. Okay, let me just check. Social Selling Mastermind. Hindi pa siya nagre-reflect dito, but kindly comment on the section above. Okay, I can see some hearts. Comment down below kung nakikita nyo ako ngayon sa ating Facebook group, Social Selling Mastermind. Okay, and let me know if the sound is clear bago tayo magsimula. Let me know if you can see my slide presentation because I struggle to actually add itong ating slide presentation dito sa ating live today. Hello everyone. Okay, comment down below, let me know. Check ko na rin sa phone ko kung nakikita ko yung sarili ko na live as of now. Alright, I can see myself now. So, tumagal din pala ng mga 2 minutes bago ko makita sa phone na live ako. Okay? So, hello everyone. Welcome to Social Selling Mastermind episode number 1 wherein pag-uusapan natin how to convert your followers to customer featuring the top secret of the top earners na kailangan mong malaman. Are you ready? Are you excited? Clear, sabi ni Ronnie. Okay? So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so first of all, gusto ko muna malaman ninyo, why do we do this? Okay, why are we in a mission to 5K free mastermind dito sa group community na to? No? Of course, first of all, I was once like you, I had a shiny object syndrome. Okay, palagi kong iniisip noon na ads, automation, new course, new guru, and new shiny object, yun yung makakatulong sa akin, to help me scale. Okay, lahat naman tayo gusto natin mag-grow, lahat naman tayo gusto natin mas malaki yung kita natin, lahat naman tayo gusto natin palaging nag-i-improve. Okay, pero binalikan ko yung sarili ko, ano nga ba yung ginawa ko noon that actually helped me produce micro result wherein I was able to close 813 students in 6 weeks time, selling my very first course as a coach, which generated us over 1.6 million in sales. So, inisip ko talaga back then kung ano nga ba yung ginawa ko. Nagkaroon ako ng going back into my newbie phases as a newbie coach noong mga panahon na yon, and nagkaroon ako ng epiphany. Okay? So, first of all, kaya ko nga ulit sinishare ito ngayon dahil alam ko na marami sa inyo mga newbie, hindi nila alam kung paano sila magsisimula, paano nila gagawin yung business nila, and then by going back to my past failures, mga past struggles ko, ano ba yung mga steps na ginawa ko noon, yun yung gusto kong ibahagi at i-share sa inyo para mapagkunan ninyo ng aha moment, masundan nyo rin yung mga step na yon, and then at the same time, mapagkunan din yun ng inspirasyon na lahat talaga tayo nagsisimula sa punto na hindi natin alam sa ngayon, but in the beginning, we will find our way through breakthrough based sa mga past struggles and past let's say mga proven things na ginawa namin that could possibly give you similar or better result. Okay, so join me in this mission 5K free mastermind. In the next 2 days gagawin ng private ni Facebook tong setup nitong community natin, but you can also invite your other community para makasama sila dito, and hang on guys, I will do my very best in the next 90 days na turuan kayo for free. Hello Sis Jelmine. Sama-sama tayong matuto rito. I am going to dedicate and give to the best of my ability na matulungan kayo sa community na to for the next 90 days. Okay ba sa inyo yon? Happy ba kayo sa mission natin? Bago matapos ang 2023, at least makapagbigay ako ng value sa inyo, marikindle ulit natin yung relationship natin since I really want to help my Filipino audiences dito sa group na ito. Okay? Sino sa inyo yung excited na ma-mentor, magkaroon ng community na ganito, na natututo for free dito sa loob ng group natin? Sino yung happy doon? Do you feel blessed, guys, that you are actually being mentored here in our community, and that's we are dedicating our time para makapagbigay ng value sa inyo? Who's feeling excited, blessed, and happy about that? Okay, so I will wait for your comments down below. And by the way, thank you so much for supporting this mission, and I hope dumoble yung community natin. We are already 2.5 here in our community. May iba rito mga foreigner pa na sila si Story. Lipat ka dun sa kabila, okay? Kasi hindi ka dito. English pala. Sia, you cannot join here. This is for my Filipino community. You have to transfer. Chat me. I'm going to bring you to the right community. Anyway, thank you so much. Super blessed. Alright. Excited na, coach. Okay, so without further ado, we have so much to learn, okay, with converting your followers to customers without the fancy objects, okay? So, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so, going back, I had to go back to the basics, okay? Ito yung mga steps na pinagdaanan ko noon as a newbie coach, as a top affiliate, was top network marketer with my community. Inisip ko talaga, back in 2018, I created a course that went viral, Most of you became my students, and we sold the course for 1,990 peso, and in which we generated over 813 students na nagbayad ng 1,990 peso, and in 6 weeks time, without ads, without funnels and automation, we were able to generate 1,617 1,617,870. Sorry sa noise, medyo mahangin dito ngayon. Okay, so yung mga sumunod na buwan, after marketing that, we increased the price to 5,990, and then to the point na we had to sell it for 15,000. Pero bumaba na yung sales noon, and my greatest struggle back then was like, ang gagawin ko ba nito is to run an ad? Okay, gagawin ko ba nito, lagyan na ng membership access yung aking course? Or gagawin ko ba is mag-automate ng system, mag-build ng funnel? So, doon na nagkaroon ako ng tinatawag ko na parang overwhelm phase. Okay, guys? So, ang nangyari noon, ng mga time na yon, binibuild ko yung course ko. Tapos, I was struggling personally how to automate my own system. Sino sa inyo nakaka-relate doon? Should I market, or build my automation, or kailangan ko ba muna na magpatuloy na lang na bumenta ng bumenta, okay? Or isa-set up ko ba yung automation ko? Sino sa inyo yung na-feel na kailangan na na-stuck sila sa phase na yon? Yung to the point na feeling mo pumunta ka sa sa crossing, sa crossroad, kakanan ba ako, kakaliwa ba ako? Yung parang ganon, yung na-feel ko nung mga time na yon. Sino sa inyo as a marketer nowadays yung naka-feel na ganon? Okay? Should I close the back door muna? Kasi ang lakas ng hangin. But anyway, while I'm waiting for your questions, for your answers, ako personally, yun yung na-feel ko, As someone who was a top affiliate, high ticket closer back then in the very last community na sinalihan ko in 2018, 2017, bago ako nag-transition into high ticket closer for other influencers, one-on-one mentorship, building Pinay Boss Academy. Yun yung pinaka-last na company ko, siguro naging kasamahan ko kayo doon, That was the point na binabalik-balikan ko palagi how I could possibly help you as my students na doon sa stage na yon, and lagi kong iniisip ano nga ba yung mga tamang ginawa ko back then at ano rin yung mga maling ginawa ko back then, okay, for me to be able to generate this kind of result and for me to plummet, ibig sabihin bumagsak yung sales ko, hindi na siya nagpatuloy. Actually, yung naging last conversion na lang namin was 200 Si Angel nakakaalam ng number, no? Kasi siya yung taga-kolekta ng payment sa mga ano, no? Yung sa affiliate marketing namin noon, 200 plus na lang. And then, that was in 8 weeks time. Nung nung 2 months na kami, tinigil ko na yung, I was running an ad by the way, no? Sa affiliate marketing ko na, no? Nagpa-practice na ako mag-run ng ad nun. Pero dito sa sarili kong course, it was organic, no? Yung 818. Sabi ko, ba't ang taas? Ba't mas mataas pa yung organic, no? Marketing, kesa sa nag-run ako ng ads, 200 plus na lang, no? Yung na-close namin sa 2,990 peso na product. And ang nangyari nun, no? Parang, hindi naman ako break-even, malaki pa rin yung naging earning ko. Pero bakit ang sakit nang nangyari, 'di ba? Kung kailan pa ako gumastos na malaki, no? May webinar pa ako doon, no? Tapos may automation system pa ako. Bakit mas maliit yung closing rate? Ba't mas maliit yung kita? Whereas dito, mas malaki yung conversion ng mga students. Halos wala talaga akong ginastos sa ads and wala akong fancy objects na mga ginamit. Okay? Fancy marketing stuff. So, lagi ko talagang binabalikan yon para maibigay ko sa inyo yung journey ko na pinagdaanan ko. Alright, guys? So, that was year 2018. No? So, ngayon, no, I have learned so much. No? I am still struggling in some part of my business, to be honest. But I am growing in so many other aspects of my business in terms of learning how to build my own academy in a much bigger scale, no? Na kung saan magkakaroon ako ng other students na pwede kong gamitin na ma-highlight sila dun sa academy, no? So now you know that it is possible. No, it is possible that you can that is my result, guys, no? Pero iba yung magiging resulta nyo. But for me, personally, no, alam niyo karamihan ng mga students ko na hindi ko kayo ginamitan ng mga bagay na ito, no, in order for me to acquire you as my customer. You were just my super fans, no? You were my followers back then. Tama ba? 'Di ba? Karamihan sa inyo, no, you were just my followers, okay? Mga student na nakikinig-kinig, no? Laging nandyan. And then, we were able to give value and teach you through Ninja Pro program. And so, that's the sales that we generated back then, no? Without funnels, without ads, without bombarding you. Emails, okay? So, ano nga ba yung sekreto, no? Lagi kong iniisip talaga, ano ba yung tamang ginawa ko sa dinami-dami ng mga palpak at pagkakamaling ginawa ko back then, no? Sikat na sikat yung ads, ang daming nagraran ng OFW ads na, hi, ako nga pala si ganito, ganyan. No, dati akong OFW sa ganito. Lahat sila ginaya nila yon. But I was doing something right. Okay, back then, no? So, ang daming gumastos sa ad. You will hear someone na, I spent 100,000, nasunog. Diba? And I was like, why I generated this much? No, ano yung wisdom na binigay sa akin back then? Doing something that was right. Okay? Na ito pala yung dapat talagang gawin ng someone na stuck, someone na newbie, na walang panggasto sa ads, nalilito, hindi alam kung saan magsisimula, funnel ba yung gagawin ko, mag-automate ba ako, hindi ko kaya magawa ng copywriting, hindi ako magaling sa email. They're such great people, no? Sobrang talino nila, sobrang galing nila. Pero ako as someone who is really wanting to have sales right now, just me, myself, and I, saan ako magsisimula? Yun din ba yung tanong nyo, guys? Yun din ba yung tanong nyo, bosses? Sino sa inyo yung nakaka-feel na gano'n, no? So, me personally, I feel you. That is why, today I'm going to reveal to you, the top secret of the top earner, which I think you've never heard before. And by the way, ito nga pala yung proof, na here are the proof, no? Plus, on top of that, no, I was still an affiliate, so kailangan ko pa rin humataw dun sa product na pinopromote namin, digital product din siya. No, I was crazy. I was selling 2 apples at the same time, di ba? So, my product is also digital product, no? So, I was also selling affiliate product na digital product din. That's why, sobrang gulo talaga ng buhay ko nun back in 2018. Until I gradually transitioned and believe into myself that I am going to sell my own apple. Okay, so yan talagang story ko nun, guys. No? So, on top of 813 students that we signed up for my own course, selling 2,000 1,990 product, no? Alam niyo yung price, 'di ba? Yung offer na 'yon. So, I was also able to generate actually 180 plus na downline dun sa pinopromote ko in 30 days. Tapos, naging 900 plus siya. Nakalimutan ko na kung exact number. No? Si Angela nakakaalam. In the next 2 months. No? So, sabi ko, ang liit ng sale natin. No? Actually, maliit yan. Lalo na pag nagra-run ako ng ad para sa affiliate offer ko back then, no, nagta-transition na kasi ako noon no, from organic marketing to running an ad, no. Sabi ko, bakit ang liit, no? Ba't hindi ganun kalaki? Whereas nung nasa organic marketing ako, bakit parang ang hyper na mga students ko, may umiiyak, may sumasayaw, may naalala nyo ng Ninja Pro, di ba? May gumagawa ng vision board, may merong nag-print ng kanilang universe check. Tapos, ano pa ba? Ang daming competition. Ang saya-saya natin. Meron tayong My Ninja Protege. Ang ingay-ingay natin sa social media back then. 'Di ba? Sobrang viral na Ninja Pro. Ang saya-saya. If you're going to find hashtag Ninja Pro or hashtag Ninja Pro program, andun pa lahat ng mga ginawa ng mga students ko. I felt like really that was the power of becoming an influencer. The way you can impact or influence other people, no? So, yun yung nangyari back then. And when I'm running an ad, bakit parang kinukumpara pa ako sa iba na nakakita ng ganung ad, tapos kikilatisin pa nila yung profile ko, kikilatisin pa nila yung page ko, tapos ang daming nagagalit sa chatbot, tapos ang daming mga bad comment dun sa 'di ba? Pero nakakapag-close ako because I believe that my skill is as high ticket closer, and as a coach, naku-close ko talaga pag pumasok na sila dun sa point na magwa one-on-one na kami, no? Okay, that is why I have this result, no? 180 plus downline in 1 month. Pero pinagkumpara ko talaga yung organic marketing, and with running an ads, you get result in both ways. Pero kung as a newbie, no, as someone who is so overwhelmed na pumunta dito sa micro result na to, and magsisimula ka, I highly recommend now, with all of my heart, guys, you really have to start knowing your business by starting to swim in the swimming pool muna by doing the micro result. In this way, hindi ka rin ma-overwhelmed, and that is the secret that I'm going to teach you now. Okay? Inisip ko talaga maigi how I can bring my students by just doing one thing. Okay? One simple thing that I think you've never heard before in other places, na hindi man lang din nababanggit sa inyo by someone na maybe sinusundan nyo ngayon, that will immediately give you an impact, na makapag-produce agad ng result. Okay? Dahil naalala ko, ito lang talaga yung nag-iisang ginawa ko nun. And nga, kayo ko mga students ko, kaya you've been following me for a long time, since then, 2017-18, alam ninyo sa mga sarili ninyo na ito talaga din yung ginawa ko nun. Okay? Ready na kayo? Alright, so, that's the proof, no? I always collect, yung mga sa Excel file ko, yung mga manual ako, no? So, here's another proof, by the way, before we jump to that, no? If you try to search Ninja Pro program, Ninja Pro, no, organically, you will see the power of organic and social selling marketing and how it can change your business, no? So, ang daming mga comments, ang daming mga students na umiiyak, they share their thing, nagbablog sila kung saan-saan, mga OFW. Literally, we counted that we impacted over 27 countries worldwide ng mga kababayan nating OFW. Out of those students, no? Actually, yung iba sa kanila, hindi ko na sila alam. And ngayon, chinek ko yung Facebook ko, guys, kasi ang gulo-gulo talaga ng profile ko, no? Hindi ko na alam kung magtuturo ko ng English o ng Tagalog, 'di ba? So, ngayon, binabalikan ko kayo, no, sa community ko. Napansin ko, grabe, ang dami ko palang friend request. Halos nasa 2,000 katao. Kaya pala yung profile ko, no, guys. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa profile ko. Ngayon, sa profile na ako nagma-market, no? Dahil sa mga changes ng Facebook sa Facebook page. Okay? Eto pala yung mga student ko noon, na hindi ko man lang na-add. Na-add sa profile ko. And later on, i-share ko sa inyo through social selling marketing, no? Na napakahalaga talaga that we now leverage the power of having Facebook profile and the difference of establishing your business, ano yung advantage sa profile at saka sa page. In the future time, pag-uusapan natin yan. Okay? So, okay. Mabagal yung ano ng slide ko dito. So, what's the top secret? It is something that I believe no coaches and gurus online will tell you straight away. Okay, so it's really confidential, and me as a coach, I believe that by telling you this, magkakaroon ka talaga ng mabilis na aha moment. Okay? Okay, pero bago ko ipaliwanag yan sa'yo, para maniwala ka sa sasabihin ko sa'yo mamaya, gusto ko malaman sa inyo, sino sa inyo nakakakilala sa kanila, bosses? Sino sa inyo yung nakakakilala kay Tony Robbins, Eric Worre ba or Worre, si Anik Singal, Learn Nation, Neil Patel, dating network marketer, nag-start siyang manghiram ng Ferrari niya, tapos nag-post siya ng picture ng watch niya, kahit hindi sa kanya yon, actually, sa kaibigan niya yon, tapos bigla siyang sumikat, inamin niya naman, bigla siya naging viral, di mga kaibigan niya, mga kamag-anak niya, di ba, uy, may Ferrari, may mamahaling watch, di ba? Ganon. Tapos, ito, si Grant Cardone, meron siyang sarili niyang jet plane. Tapos, Here in My Backyard video, over 37.5 million views sa YouTube ni Ty Lopez nung kanyang Here in My Backyard video. Pinapakita niya yung Ferrari niya. Tapos, may nag-viral siya na video na sabi niya, if you want to be a millionaire, drop out at school, di ba? Yung mga ganon. Tapos, si Peng Joon, So, guys, kung kilala ninyo sila, let me know, tell me, ano yung nakikita nyong similarities na ginagawa ng mga taong to. Okay? Kung bakit ganun sila ka-successful. Sige nga, have a wild guess, type in at the comment section below, kung ano yung sa tingin nyo, yung isang bagay na ginagawa nila in common. While I'm having a sip. Yes, same coach. Yes. Excited? Okay, super blessed. Alright, so, sige nga, sino sa inyo yung makakaguess na kung ano yung ginagawa ng mga tao na yan? I will wait. Kasi baka mayroong di ba? Hula ng wild guess. Let me just check sa community natin kung okay, wala makakahula. Okay, si Tony Robbins, anong ginagawa niya ngayon, guys? Anong ginagawa ni Tony Robbins ngayon? Okay, sila, actually ngayon, may $5 offer si Learn Nation, Si Anik Singal. Okay, comment. Okay, sila, check. Okay. Si Anik Singal. Alright, guys. Okay, walang makaguess ng baka hindi nyo sila kilala. Peng Joon, okay? Coaching. Oh, may nakasagot. Woo! Teaching, coaching. Watching with you. Abel. Sis Abel. Exactly, guys. You nailed it! You're so smart. Lahat sila, they are coaching. They are teaching. And heck, even me, I am coaching and teaching now. Business mind attitude. Yes, that is correct. But also, guys, they are teaching. They are coaching. Yun yung similarities na ginagawa nila, And, of course, kung ginagawa nila yan, there are also some other people who are into network marketing, kagaya ni Cesar Rodriguez, kakampany ko yan. Si Tanya Alaysa, kakampany ko yan in our previous, even Eric Worre, we were in the same company, kung alam ninyo, yung World Venture. Okay? Yan yung dati kong company, World Venture, and I was traveling to Singapore, to other countries, kasi mahilig ako mag-travel. So, iisa kami ng company. So, galing kami doon, kung kilala nyo si Ray Higdon, yung matangkad na gumawa ng laptop, Unemployed Millionaire. Nakalimutan ko na yung pangalan niya. Yung libro na Unemployed Millionaire. Okay, later, maalala ko. So, iisa kami ng company, Yung gumawa ng personality for entrepreneurs. Colors of Personality. Mga English, nakalimutan ko. But anyway, ang ginagawa namin noon, guys, yan, while we're scaling our business as network marketers, no, Gordon Attard, no, siya yung upline ko. That was my first male coach na nagturo sa akin. Ang ginagawa namin, we reteach what we know. So, instead of just training the downline, nagkikreate ka ng impact even to those people na hindi part ng community mo by becoming a coach. And then, they're building their authority, they're building their impact, their brand, and not their company. Okay? So, kung student ko kayo sa Personal Branding Blueprint 14 Days Challenge, for sure alam na ninyo to. No? So, Cecil Rodriguez is not focused with his network marketing actually now. Okay? Mas nag-focus na sila sa coaching. Okay? Mas nag-focus na sila into doing their own expertise, their own skills, their own craft. But back then, no, as network marketers, this is what they do. And so, no? Kung yun yung effective sa kanila, of course, we are so dumb kung hindi natin gagayahin yun. No? And exactly that is the secret, top secret of the top earners, no? To position themselves as a coach. And that is what we do. We teach. So, para sa iba sa inyo, for sure, mind-blowing yon, no? Kasi, iniisip nyo, bibuild ako ng funnel, magkaroon ako ng ads. So, you are hooked with the idea of these coaches coaching you, no, na kailangan mo tong one thing na to. No? So that, of course, no, you enroll to their thing, you enroll to their expertise and all. But, if you could actually just think, guys, bosses, na what they're actually doing is that, pinosisyon lang nila agad yung sarili nila as a coach. As someone who is a source of value, teaching, influencing, no, giving topics and advice to their target customers, to their target audiences and followers, immediately, na-gets mo na agad. Okay? Na ito pala yung una kong dapat gawin. Sino yung nagkaroon ng aha moment doon? No? Sino yung unti-unti nagkakaroon ng clarity? I know na hindi pa ganun kalinaw para sa inyo, no, guys, na, kailangan ko palang maging insta coach, no? For me to capture attention, no? And by the way, the reason why we're doing that is because it's very simple, no? We want attention. Because nowadays, no, attention is equal to money, no? Hindi papasok sa funnel mo, ngayon, sa dami ng ads na nagro-roll kay Facebook, no? Actually, Facebook, I believe, in my heart, is doing one of the most dangerous strategy ngayon na ginagawa niya, no? Kasi medyo natatalo na siya ni TikTok tapos si YouTube pa, 'di ba? TikTok ngayon tinaas niya na ng 10 minutes yung kanyang video and mas marami magbigay ng audience si TikTok ngayon. May YouTube Shorts na rin. So makikita mo talaga yung competition. Tapos ngayon in-increase na yung IGTV to 10 minutes, no? So yung Reels ni Facebook dating 30 seconds pa rin si YouTube, tinaas na ni Facebook ngayon, ginawa na 90 seconds. No? So makikita mo yung competition, but what actually Facebook is doing now? Bombard na ng ads. Pag nag-scroll ka ngayon sa home mo, no? Kaya bihira ako talaga sa profile ko, guys. From time to time, nagpo-post na ako ngayon ng mga marketing campaigns ko. Nakikita ko, grabe, ang daming ads. No? So, ngayon, ang daming nagpapatakbo ng ads, pero bihira yung nagpapakita ng totoong value, totoong content, and real attention-grabbing reels and video sa mga profile nila. Why not we do the same thing, become an Insta coach, grab a lot of attention, which is equivalent to money. Wherein, actually, I am going to confess something to you guys. Ang daming mga fellow coaches ko ngayon na nagsasabi sa akin that advertising nowadays is not the same like before. Back in 2017 and 2018 when we were doing this. And even experts nowadays, guys, nagtataka sila na susunog ang pera. Okay? But we are still hopeful that somehow, no, kailangan talaga, maybe you really need to have someone na super expert talaga sa pagraran ng ad para magkaroon ka talaga ng magandang result. It still works, no? Don't get me wrong. It still works, but I think ang labanan talaga ngayon, no, for you to gain genuine relationship with your target customers and followers and hopefully convert them into customers is what we're actually doing now. That's why I'm doing this. No? Genuine way of giving value, nurturing your community, no? And if you can copy and duplicate what I'm doing now sa inyo and do it to your community, then you could possibly get the same result. Sino yung nakakakita ng pagiging transparent ko ngayon dito, guys, no? You can see why I'm doing this to you so you can do the same thing to your community. You can model and even copy what I'm doing now. Sino yung nagkakaroon ng parang, oh, ang linaw nun, 'di ba? Sobrang linaw nun, coach. Sino yung nakaka-feel nun? Let me know at the comment section down below. Okay? So, actually, one of my fellow coach, no? He is, iba yung business niya. Actually, nasa Australia siya, sa Melbourne, sorry. Meron siyang 5 club. At ang trabaho niya, hindi siya may-ari ng club, at ang trabaho niya, papasukin yung mga tao sa club. So, siya yung nagbebenta ng ticket, no? Nightlife, party-party, no? So, kung ilang tao yung maipapasok niya dun sa club sa Melbourne, no? Siya magpupuno nun, no? So, yung drinks, saka may cut siya sa mga drinks. Ang laki ng kinikita niya, guys. Milyon. As in dollars. Tapos, sa kanya pa yung ticket. Sa kanya yung event, no? So, gagawin niya, nag-hire siya ng mga DJ. Siya yung bahala mag-hire ng mga waitress, in-demand waitress, no? Mga walang trabaho. So, for 3 nights na magkakaroon ng party, mga sikat na DJ. So, siya yung magka-create ng ticket, no? Entrance para dun sa club. So, for example, ibebenta niya ng $30, no? Entrance fee. So, siya yung magrara ng ad. Kasi galing niya rin sa ad. Tapos, ikakat niya yung cost ng ad doon sa ticket na $30. Kita niya yun, benta niya yun. Pero, nagpapasok siya ng tao sa mga club. Okay, 5 club yun, no? So, ay ikakaltas pa pala yung sahod ng DJ, sahod ng mga waitress, ganyan. So, one-on-one kami, nag-usap kami nun. Tapos, ang mangyayari, no, pag pumasok yung drinks, may 10% pa yata siya sa lahat ng drinks for that night. Imagine, ang laking income nun. So, why am I sharing this to you? When you run ads, no, napakalaki. Kailangan magaling ka sa math. Hindi ako gano'n kagaling sa math, no? Kailangan alam mo yung advantage mo, yung mga costs na gagastusin mo, etc. I'm not great with running ads, but I believe, no, you can easily hire people now na mas magaling sa'yo kasi I can't be everything, right? So, gano'n na lang yung ginagawa ko ngayon, no? But, there is something that I did before na sa tingin ko, doon ako magaling. Okay? And that is why I'm teaching you this. Okay? If you could just learn how to position yourself as someone na insta-coach, no? Get attention, get genuine relationship with your target audiences, attention will always be equal to money. Naintindihan niyo ba, bosses? Naintindihan niyo ba, guys? Okay, inom lang ako, So, if you're still not convinced, example na si Russell Brunson, ano yung ginagawa niya? No? So, he has something like the life coach school. No? Tapos, nagko-coaching siya. Ang dami niyang tinuturo, ang dami niyang ng mga courses, no? How to build your first funnel. Okay, nakikipag-collab siya kila Dan Kennedy, kila Frank Kern, no? Kila Peng Joon, collab siya kay Grant Cardone kasi malakas sila. Alam nila the power of coaching and collaboration. And yan, traffic secrets. Pero ano yung real product? Ano yung totoong product? 'Di ba yung ClickFunnels? 'Di ba? So why don't you do the same thing, no? Kayo as you have something to offer, no? Real estate, you have something to offer like herbal supplements, you have your network marketing company. This is exactly what I did before, guys, no? Kasi nakita ko kay Tanya Eliza, kay Cesar Rodriguez, every time nagkakaroon kami ng mastermind sa Singapore, yun yung ginagawa nila. Sabi ko, teka lang, may website sila, nagko-coach sila, nagtuturo sila, and so the people are hooked. 'Di ba? They see you as an authority, hindi ka nila kinukumpara sa iba, and then hindi sila mabubwisit sa ads mo na paulit-ulit nagpa-pop up kagaya rin ng ads ng iba. 'Diba? Kasi yun lang din ang tinuro sa'yo ng upline mo, no? And everybody in your company is doing the same thing. 'Diba? Pare-pareho na kayo ng marketing strategy, sineshare nyo lang yung post ng mga upline ninyo, 'di ba? Kung sino yung pinakamataas, yung nasa taas, yung may Ferrari, kung sino yung may Lamborghini, no? Siya yung nakakapag-create ng content, siya yung coach, siya yung Insta coach. Ang gagawin mo kasi hindi ka marunong mag-create ng content, hindi ka rin marunong mag-Insta coach, you don't know how to brand yourself, you don't know how to position yourself, you're sharing the content of that person kasi yun lang din ang tinuro niya sa'yo. And what happens? Of course, you exert a lot of effort, no? Ikaw ang nagtanim, ibang umani. Tama ba, guys? Gusto ko lang maging transparent dito sa inyo, no? Hindi nyo ba napapansin yon? 'Di ba? Of course, they know the power of leverage, using other people's effort, using other people's time, and everything. And I sympathize with those top earners and those top coaches. Why? Kasi hindi ganun kadaling magturo, just like what we do. No? You know, in 5 minutes that you're talking like this to your community, mauuhaw ka. And your excitement, the power to teach, the passion to share what you know, and to kumbaga palinawin mo yung isip ng mga tao. It takes a lot of passion, love, and care. Okay? And for those top earners, it's not easy to teach everyone the real secret. Tama ba? But it's just so easy to tell your whole community, your downline, to just share your post. No? Papabebe lang ako dito, no? Selfie sa Ferrari ko. Wapak, pare. Di ba? O guys, share nyo na yan. Di ba? So, in the end of the day, sino yung na-establish? Yung authority. Di ba? I'm not saying they're not giving value. But guys, eto lang yung sasabihin ko sa inyo, no? Follow influencers that don't just influence you about their lifestyle, but someone who actually influence you by giving you skills and knowledge na totoong makakatulong sa business mo. No? Huwag nyong i-waste yung time nyo by simply following influencers that makes you feel like you are so down, ground bottom below, na eto sila, eto ka. Try to find influencers that uplift you by teaching you the skills and really dedicate their time and effort, no? Makapagturo sa iyo ng mga totoong knowledge and skills na makakatulong sa iyo to grow your business and give you quality training like this, na makakatulong talaga sa iyo. So, you have to position yourself. I believe that as the CEO, as the boss of your own business, it is your duly responsibility to learn how to be an Insta coach. Okay? How to give value to your target, to your followers, to your super fans, to your audiences. Trabaho at responsibilidad mo to nurture them and educate them the way we do. Okay? Now you know the secret, no? The secret of the top earners, kagaya nila, is to actually become an Insta coach. Okay? This is what Russell Brunson is doing. Alright? This is what other gurus na kilala ninyo. And in fact, lahat ng top earners are actually coaches. Do you agree, guys? Do you agree, Sis Jelmine? No? You want to be an aspiring coach. Last year, we were talking about it, and for a long time, lagi kong iniisip, no? When I launched Time of Your Life, no, ngayon iniisip ko na, how can I transition as fast as I can yung mga struggling newbies to get result that they want? And the solution is to be an Insta coach. Okay? Dahil ito yung nakikita ko, no, na ginagawa ng mga top earners. They are actually coaches. Okay? So, let's just read something here. Clear, coach, no? That's correct, coach. Ikaw lang yung talagang leverage nila. Instead, ikaw yung nag-influence, which is ikaw naman talaga, pero yung nakikilala nilang influencer is the one na kinokopya mo lang din ng post or yung nasa post or video. Exactly, no? And I thought this many times over and over before, that the way I do it is to genuinely ask my followers, which is kayo guys, no? If you find value with what I do, share it to your fellow classmates, no? Share it to my community and together we will learn. But not to the point that you will share my marketing video, no? You will share my pabebe campaign, no? No, in front of my Ferrari or something. I have lots of cash. And then yun yung gagawin mo para mambaliw ng ibang tao. No, that is not marketing, guys. No, that's hyping. Okay? And kung wala kang natututunang bago or learning, no, from other people, ito lang guys prangkahang salita, stop learning motivational videos. Guys, matagal na kayo motivated, no? You won't be here listening to me for minutes and hours kung hindi kayo motivated. Stop listening to other people's success stories. No, magiging prangka na ako sa inyo. I want you to be successful. Stop listening for more motivational videos. It helps kung Sabado, Linggo na medyo low bat ka, makinig ka, may matututunan ka doon, mai-inspire ka. Pero tandaan mo, inspiration and motivation won't make you cash. The real thing that will make you cash, to be frank and honest with you, are skills. Okay? Skills na ina-apply at ini-implement mo sa negosyo mo. That's why so many newbies are so emotional. No, sobrang ang galing ni coach, ang galing ni upline, tagapalakpak, no? Ang galing na motivate ako, na inspire ako. Maya-maya na lobat na. Kumita ka, hindi. 'Di ba? Tama ba? So, guys, feelings don't last. Tandaan ninyo, feelings, sulat nyo dyan sa notebook nyo. Sabi ni Coach Princess, no, emotion and feelings don't last. Yes, it will make you viral. That's why mas marami nagfo-focus ngayon magturo ng motivation, no, success stories ng mga OFW, etc. Kasi ang daming 97% of newbies are just depending on their feelings. Okay? Ang nangyayari sila, hook na sila doon. Yun na lang yun. Taga like, taga heart, share dito, share doon, no? Ng content. It's good for the upline, yes. Kasi ang daming ang daming mainit ang daming nabaliw, di ba? So, nagva-viral sila, they accumulate most of the views, no? Pumapalo rin yung content creation nila and everything, no? Nagmamonetize sila doon, ang daming taga-share, leverage, they know the power of leverage. Tinuturo ko na sa inyo yung mga secret ng mga top earner, guys. Behind the scene. Okay? And I promised myself during that time, I know how to do it, but I'm not gonna do it. Why? Because I really want to educate people. When it comes to online business, maraming gray line yan, guys. Maraming may white, may black, tama? Pero palaging may gray line. And I am here because I care for you so much. Gusto ko malaman ninyo yung mga bagay na hindi tinuturo online. Things that they will not reveal. Things that they will not teach you because it benefits them. Tandaan nyo, no, in everything, there is a reason why people do what they do. There is a motivation behind that. No? Bakit kaya tinuturo ni Upline sa akin to? You always need to follow where sabi nga nila, no, for you to reveal the real intention, follow the money. And then you will find kung sino talaga yung people who genuinely care for you. Okay? So, no, you have, kung ginagawa nila yon, no, isipin mo maigi, ginagawa nila yon, bakit hindi ikaw ang gumawa nun? Right? Sino yung nakaka-gets ngayon? Bakit hindi ikaw ang gumawa nun? And I am here to tell you, that you can do it. No, there is nothing special about them. That is why you can't do it yourself. 'Di ba? I believe maybe through this training na gagawin natin for the next 90 days, baka mas maging magaling ka pa sa kanila. If you truly want to care, give value, no, and educate your customers and your followers, mas makikita nila that you are the one, 'di ba? So, now that I am sharing you all of these secrets, 'di ba? I think in your heart you can feel that, oh wow, 'di ba? Ngayon ko lang narinig na that is something that is like mind-blowing, na-reveal sa akin na ganun pala 'yon. No? So, sino sa inyo yung feeling nila na parang dyan lang kayo sa comfort zone nyo, taga-palakpak lang kayo, taga-share lang kayo, you're just following those kind of tactics, no, na kapag nag-live yung community nyo, kayo-kayo lang din yung nagla-like doon, kayo-kayo lang din yung nagbabaliwan doon, how po, pero sa totoo lang, naka-join na pala, tapos pang parami lang pala yung, kunyari, nag-i-inquire din. Guys, don't fool yourselves, di ba? Doing those kind of things. Tas si upline naman, kunyari rin. Di ba si upline din, kunyari rin, ay, saya-saya. Di ba? Nakiki-comment din siya doon, pero yung pala, lahat sila member na. Nagtatanong pa ng how. 'Di ba? Don't do that. Don't fool. You can't fool other people now, 'di ba? Even you can't fool yourself. 'Di ba nowadays on social media, thank you for the likes, thank you for the hearts, no? People have automatic radar, 'di ba? They can tell kung hype baliwan lang 'yan, no? Hype lang 'yan. Right? No, but if you actually are a coach, insta coach, to the best of your ability, you don't need to be an expert, no? You just need to have a genuine result, a genuine story, someone that you can share to truly care and make these people, your followers, to feel that you truly care, no? And you're the one, you can make it happen, no? Mas mafe-feel nila na mas sayo sila magsa-sign up, or let's say they will follow you, no, for the rest of their lives. And I always teach my students, no, nowadays hindi followers ang goal natin, guys. We don't need followers, we need super fans, no? We need customers, no? And later on, as we go along with our training, no, I will teach you how to convert your followers to super fans. Okay? And then from super fans, they will become your customers. Okay? They are happy. They are so happy to support you, to help you with your thing. 'Di ba gusto nilang bumili sa iyo? Buying is a natural thing because they love you. Hindi ka lang nila, alam mo yon, follower, subscriber. These people love you because you are their, hindi ka nila upline to the point na gino-Diyos ka nila, sobrang admire ka nila kasi nakakapag-travel ka around the world, may Ferrari ka, tapos ang successful mo. They don't look up to you that way. 'Di ba? Ang gusto kong i-goal ninyo ngayon, guys, as future coaches, as future influencer, no, is for you to goal that your followers love you. Hindi yung parang ang taas mo, 'di ba? Eto sila. Don't make them feel that way. Make them feel that you are lifting them together with you to the point na mamahalin ka talaga nila ng sobra. Na kapag nakita ka nila in person, iiyak sila. Alam mo yung feeling na ganun? Diba? Do you want to make that kind of impact? No? When you social sell, you are not just selling, no? You are trying to be the best person, the influencer na nakikita nila that truly cares for these people. And once na na-feel nila yan, guys, there is no amount of ads, no, na makakagiba ng relationship ninyo, ng engagement ninyo on social media. I think it's all about the heart, no, when you're actually trying to build your business on social media. Okay? So, that's it, no? They educate first before they sell. For many times, guys, ang daming nag-PPM sa akin, no? Isa-send agad yung webinar sa chat. Ang dali lang kasi talaga, no? 'Di ba? Na mag-send ng link para mag-sign up at bumili ng product ng webinar doon sa prospect mo. Don't do that, no? People will never buy unless they know how much you care, no? They will never ever know. No, sabi nga nila, meron akong nabasa na quote na gano'n na, people don't care how much you know. They care, they only care, people don't, sino ba nakakaalam na? Okay, si Tony Robbins yata nagsabi nito, no? People don't care how much you know. They only care how much you care for them. Parang ganon, no? So anyways, so much things that you, minsan nakakalimutan ko yung exact thing. But I think you get the idea, right? So, you have to educate them first, no? That is why, in the future time, ituturo ko sa inyo how you transition, no? How you're going to convert them. Okay, but first, you have to educate, okay? Wag lang basta-basta send, benta, okay? Alright. So, of course, no? That's why we do the same thing, no? We model what works. Kaya nga, ang daming mga top earners, ang daming top affiliates, naging Insta Coach. 'Di ba? Because we know the power of educating people first, no? That is why I do what I do, no? Hindi na ako wala nang pakeme-keme pa. That is why I'm doing this. Because this is what works. Right, guys? Pero, merong real product, no? Naalala nyo dati sa company natin, no? When we were doing affiliate marketing. Bakit kami nag-YouTube video? No? Bakit kami nagla-live? No? Bakit kami nagkakandak ng mga training? Bakit namin tinuturo-turo pa yung mga ganon? Bakit hindi na lang isend yung affiliate link? Diba? Why? Because we have to be an Insta coach first. No, we have to position ourselves as the person of value, no, before you actually pitch the real product, because buying naturally happens right after they are convinced about you. Kailangan ma-build mo na yung know, like, and trust. Alright? Okay, so how does it work? No? So most of you guys, for sure, okay coach, now I understand. Ayun pala yung sekreto ng mga top earner. Grabe naman ngayon ka. Bakit nga ba hindi dami-dami kong finalo pag nagla-live? Na ako live. Pagka meron biglang diba? Para kayong mga, dinaig nyo pa yung mga ano tawag dito? Diba yung puppy? Pag nandyan yung master niya, no? Saya-saya niya, follow agad siya. Diba? Bakit hindi ikaw yung nasa live? Ba't hindi ikaw yung maging Insta coach? Diba? So, you're building your own. Switch na kayo. No? Lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo to nun, stop thinking you're a newbie. No? Think that you are now someone who is becoming a pro. Yun yung goal ng Ninja Pro program, no? Kaya ang daming biglang nag-convert, naging pro agad. No? Isa lang yung tinuro ko sa kanila. Tigil nyo na isipin yung newbie kayo. Start becoming a pro by positioning yourself as the person of value, no? Become an Insta coach. Okay, so, ito kasi yan guys, no? Naiintindihan kasi namin as coaches, no? That the difference between marketing and selling, no? Ang dami mga newbie, diretso na agad sila sa selling without understanding the power of marketing. So, ano nga ba yung marketing, no? You have to educate so that you can build the desire and need for your offer. Kasi without these followers, without these audiences, understanding na meron pala silang problema at meron pala silang solusyon na hinahanap sa mga buhay nila, hindi nila malalaman yung value ng offer mo. Naintindihan ba? Unless na lang talaga, na mapaalam at maipaintindi mo sa kanila, no, na kailangan mo tong iPhone na to, no? Kasi kapag may iPhone ka, i-build mo yung desire, no? You will have beautiful videos, no? Mas ma-appreciate ng mga audiences yung quality ng video mo. Kapag may iPhone ka, mataas ang status symbol. Ganun ba yun? Di ba? Papaintindi mo yung desire. Okay? And then the problem. May problem pala sila kaya kailangan nila netong product na to. And then you sell. Eto na, bilhin mo na yung iPhone. Tama ba? Sino nakagets? It's so simple, no? Marketing versus selling. Ang ginagawa kasi ng mga karamihan, no? Ayaw nilang magbigay muna ng value, paintindi yung problem at saka yung desire ng mga customer na yun. Gusto agad nila magbenta. And there is no way that someone is going to buy straight away unless na lang ang galing-galing mo talaga. Ay, grabe na talaga. Galing-galing mo talaga. Isang send mo lang ng link sa messenger. Pak! Ay, bumili agad. Nag-member agad. Wow! Hands-on na ako sa'yo. Ako na magpapakoach sa'yo. Diba? Ganun yun. So, guys, don't be like that. Don't assume that someone will convert just because you have a link. Sulat nyo yan dyan sa notebook nyo. Don't assume that someone is going to buy and convert just because you have the link. Dahil sa sobrang high-tech na ngayon, diba? Turo na mga upline. Duplicate lang yung webinar niyan. Meron ka lang dashboard, membership funnel. Pag meron ka na niyan, you have the power in the world, to market online, on social media, 'di ba? Lahat ng magaganda sasabihin sa iyo, 'di ba? I-send mo lang 'yan na magpapaliwanag, yung video na magpapaliwanag talaga, 'di ba? I have been creating funnels and sales videos, pero never ako nag-send ng link without educating people first. You have to, nagbe-beta group pa nga ako kahit konti lang Di ba yung iba sa inyo, mga students ko, Philippine team, ang tagal kong sinatsaga mag-educate sa Philippine team ko. So that when I retire in the Philippines, tapos na ako dito abroad, no? Ang tagal kong binibuild yung beta group ko because I'm building solid foundation. Right? So, tapos ikaw isang send lang, you expect that you will generate sale, di wow. Di ba? Diba guys, don't be like that. No, I want to educate you because business is a matter of process. Alright? So yun, no, when selling, no, the only one thing they need to do to be away from the problem and the pain and be closer to the desired goal, which is to buy. Naturally, no, organically, mangyayari na lang din talaga na bibili na sila. Naturally. No, kasi naipaintindi mo na sa kanila na kailangan mo to, no? Kasi kung hindi nila naiintindihan, there is no way, no, na bibili sila. That's why you have to be an Insta coach. You need to educate them. Marketing, you have to focus heavily on educating them about their desire and solution to their problem. In that way, pag ready na sila, no, hinug na, tawag doon hinug na, ready na silang bumili, then they are ready to buy. No, doon na mangyayari yung selling. Ang dali na lang. Saka mo na i-offer. Eto na. Ito yung link. Eto yung iPhone. Bilhin mo na, bayaran mo na. Sinong nagkaroon ng doon? Ng aha moment doon? Sige nga. And do you think it's hard, no, on Facebook nowadays to be organically influential? No, it's not, no? Actually, it's more than ever, mas simple ngayon, no? Kasi nagkakaroon ng mataas na competition between TikTok and YouTube. Paramihan pala ng viewers ang labanan na. O sige, may mga kanya-kanya silang tactic ngayon. Like ngayon, no? Group chat, 'di ba? Sa Facebook group, pwede ka na mag-create, lahat mai-invite. Galing. Tas pag nag-mention ka ng @everyone, lahat mame-mention, tas matatag sila lahat dun sa post mo. O, di ba? Sarap mag-organic marketing ngayon, di ba? Super aha coach. Okay. Alright, let's proceed. Okay. So, how does it work, no? Ito na. Ito pa ba rin ba yung kanina? Medyo mabagal yung ko ngayon. Yung e-com ko, kailangan ko siyang update. Okay? Modeling what works. We discussed this already. So, nasa 14 na tayo. Okay. So, marketing. So, simple lang naman ang sekreto, no, sa marketing. Since we're talking about the secrets of the top earner, no? You have to educate them, no, so siguro tatanungin niyo, coach, paano ko naman sila mabibuild pag nag-market ako online on my Facebook profile nowadays or page, no? Paano ko naman po sila magagawang ma-educate kung puposisyon na ako as Insta coach, no? Para ma-build ko po yung desire and need para dun sa offer ko. Simple lang, guys. The key is content marketing. Okay? That's the only, yun yung magta-transition sa kanila. Para siyang engine, yung video na gumagana over and over again, no, to build your authority, to build the know, like, and trust. And in that way, no, unti-unti silang nagkakaroon ng sa'yo, no, as the influencer, as the Insta coach. You need to start doing content marketing. And I'm super excited of all the things na ginawa ko ngayon, no. I'm still focused on doing one-on-one with my client, but now we really want to build our YouTube channel very soon, no. So, I'm super excited about that. And I hope mag-support kayo, guys. Not because I want you to follow me, no. Kung may natututunan kayo sa akin, then thank you in advance. But I believe, no, that the impact that we will give you through becoming a subscriber, is for me to be able to reach out to you in a way na marami ka matutunan, no. Yun yung goal ko. Okay? So, mahalaga yung content marketing. That is one of the key aspect, no. Pero marami pa. Alright, na pag-aaralan natin dito. There is no other way, no, to attract and educate your dream audiences. You have to teach. And for you to teach, no, you need to create content. Alright? Okay, so conversion happens when your dream audiences are informed, 'di ba? And they are educated, no? So, let me just move my video, okay? That they have the, okay, yan, the problems, no, and the desire, no, para magkaroon sila ng, dun sa iyong offer. Okay, so pag nakita nila yung mga, mo, no, yung mga content mo, no, and you build your own group community, etc. Ituturo ko sa inyo yan in the future time. Okay, doon na talaga nagkakaroon ng conversion. Okay, you need to be exposed. Okay. Inom lang ako medyo. Okay, so, remember, guys, no, bago kayo magbenta, dapat na-build mo muna yung desire sa product or offer mo, just like what I said kanina. So, becoming an Insta coach, no, aka influencer, no, is actually equal to becoming your own Insta boss with Insta sales. Alright, so, wala pa akong nakita na boss na home boss lifestyle, na may business, na may magandang Insta sales, without them becoming an Insta coach or Insta influencer. So, napakahalaga ng tinuturo natin dito ngayon sa inyo, guys, no? And I hope isa puso nyo talaga to, because very soon, no, you have to learn how to create contents, ano ba yung mga formula. We just launched our free, 5-day live mastermind, Rebuild Your Dream Business, 5 days challenge, and tinuro ko doon yung iba't ibang mga formula kung paano mag-create ng content, 'di ba? Tinuro ko yung mga script kung paano mag-close sa Zoom the moment na ready na sila mag-enroll, ready na sila magbayad, no? So I hope, no, in the future time makasama rin namin kayo doon, no? We are going to air that live training again. Okay? So kung may mga interested sa inyo na makasali doon, that is also a free training, you are free to let me know. Okay, so when marketing, no, you have to educate your audiences this way, no? You get attention equals money. So, bakit napakahalaga ng attention ngayon? Sabi nga nung isa kong kaibigan, sabi niya, nowadays, Princess, sabi niya, you have to really build your YouTube as well. So, sabi ko, nga, no, I build my group community but not my YouTube yet. Tapos sabi niya, yes. Why? Sabi niya, because you need to fight, sabi niya, a tooth and an arm, sabi niya, for one subscriber. So, na-realize ko, oo nga, no, kasi talagang heavy na yung competition ngayon. Nowadays, kailangan talaga skill. Yung labanan, kailangan nakakapagbigay ka ng mga strategies, tactics sa mga community mo, no? Hindi na lang, kasi ang mga tao ngayon, nanawa na sila dun sa mga pabebe, 'di ba? Yung mga post na, ayan, nandyan sa Ferrari, may motorbike, yung mga ganun, yung mga screenshot na mga ganun. Parang nauyam na yung mga tao doon, nabubuisit na sila sa mga ganun. So, kailangan mo na talagang i-position yourself as an educator. Okay? That way, you get attention. The more attention you get, the more money you make. But remember, no, the more attention you get, the more money. This is what most influencers, aka coaches, no, are doing, no? Kaya kung gusto mo, no, na marami ka talagang ma-impact, no, at magkaroon ka ng mas maraming mga followers, no, you have to keep on influencing, no? You have to keep on educating. Pero tandaan mo, no, warning lang, hindi lahat ng followers ay equal to money, no? Marami akong kakilala, millions of followers, 'di ba? Sobrang daming followers. Ay grabe, hindi pa nila nakaka-experience, no, na kumita ng 1 million in, let's say na lang 1 taon, no? Sabi ko, dami mong followers, 1 milyon, 'di ba? Pero ba't hindi nagma-monetize? Bukod sa hindi na nag-monetize, mali ng setup, no? Hindi niya pa ma-convert yung followers niya to customers kasi wala siyang alam sa digital marketing. Anak ng toko, ang dami mong viewers. Yung pala, kalat-kalat pala yung mga yan. May Africa, may Czechoslovakia, may ganyan. Sabi ko, grabe, di ano naman nangyari sa iyo ngayon dyan? Ang dami ng followers, hindi mo na monetize, di ba? Sayang. Kasi in the end of the day, guys, no, hindi ka naman, 'di ba, pwedeng pumunta sa bangko, no? Ang dami mong followers, 'di ba? Milyon-milyon, 'di ba? It doesn't mean, no, more followers, more money. No, kapag hindi mo alam paano i-convert yan, hindi mo alam paano i-monetize yan, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa teller at sabihin mo, O pare, paring teller. I have 1 million followers here. Grabe talaga. Hay, ano na, nag-uumapaw ng kaligayahan ko, no? Pwede bang withdrawin to in cash, 'di ba? Sabi, siguro mapapakamot ng ulo yung teller sa'yo. Baliw yata tong influencer na to, no? Bakit hindi mo ba namamonetize yun sa YouTube? Ay, hindi eh. Mali ako ng country na na-setup. Hindi pala magmamonetize yun. Ang dami ko nakilalang ganyan, no? Tapos, ang nag-setup ng YouTube nila, kaibigan nila, ibang account yun nilagay, no? Western Union ng kaibigan niya, o kaya naman, bank account ng kaibigan niya, patay na, di ba? So, ang daming ganyan, nagkakaganunan, no? Guys, if it's your business, you have to know it personally, the inside out of your business. Bago ka humataw-hataw ng maraming followers, isipin mo muna, no? Ba't ko ba ginagawa to? Diba? Lagi mo isipin, anong purpose ko? Ba't gusto ko na maraming followers? Do you want to create an impact? Or you want to monetize with that through affiliate marketing? Diba? Pwede gusto mo ba na kaya ka maraming followers is because you want to educate them because you're a coach and just like me, you have higher level of knowledge and skills na pwede mo ituro sa kanila. For now, you can change lives with small mastermind like this, but you have higher level of skills na pwede mo i-offer sa kanila as a coach, no, that could actually potentially teach them how to generate their first 1 million and consistent 1 million income online. So, kung ganun yung goal mo, at least alam mo kung bakit ka nagbe-build ng followers, no? Hindi yung para ka lang syunga-syunga dyan, nagbe-build ka nga ng followers. Wala lang, gusto mo lang ma-feature sa ang daming mga gumagawa ng channel ngayon, 'di ba? Wow, grabe, may 1 million followers lang, influencer of the year na, 'di ba? Pero anong ginagawa ko? Prangkahan na lang salita, kumakain ng tae. 'Di ba? No, 'di ba? Ako kasi prangka ako magsalita, guys, diretsuhan, 'di ba? Nagmukbang-mukbang diyan, kumain ng kung ano-ano, kumembot-kembot diyan. Do you want to see your life as someone, no? Since I am inspiring you to be an Insta coach with value and integrity na talagang may mapupulot yung tao sa'yo. Yes, nowadays, minsan nagtataka ko, baliw na yata talaga lahat ng tao ngayon, no? Kahit itong mga to, nakikiride on na rin yung mga company na to para, influencer of the year, 'di ba? Porkit naguhubad-hubad dyan, nagtutuwad-tuwad dyan, ang daming followers, pupuntahan ngayon kasi ang daming viewers nga naman, 'di ba? Kukunin ka na influencer of the year ka na kasi gusto lang din nila ng exposure. But does that mean in your heart, in your mind, you are a kind of influencer that you are proud of? Na in the future time, pag napanood ng mga anak mo, ng mga apo mo, pamangkin mo, yung video mo dyan, you could tell to yourself that I have lived and done the thing that I am born to do, to change lives of other people, to educate other people to the best of my skills, of my God-given talent, so that I can really impact and change other people's lives. Masasabi mo bang ganon? Diba, when you create content, no, you have to think of the effect, yung goal talaga na gusto mo magawin personally, yung totoong motive mo, but at the same time, the effect that it will give to the viewers na nandun. Tama ba, guys? No, so, tandaan nyo, no, not because you're an influencer, pwede mo nang gawin lahat, no? You can, find the motive, why you do what you do, and always remember na hindi lahat ng maraming followers is maraming pera. Yun lang yun. Yun lang yung gusto. Ang dami followers, dami pera niyan. No, hindi totoo yun, no? Ang daming followers, no? Ayun pa rin. Wala pa rin datong, no? Hindi pa rin nagmamonetize kasi hindi nila alam how to monetize their followers and they don't know how to convert their followers into customers. Ay, makikita mo, ba't ang daming followers nito? Parang hindi ko naman makita sa buhay niya. Ay, mga ganun, di ba? Prangkahan salita. So, you need to have an offer or a product or a service, no? What if you don't have an offer to sell? That's a good question, no? So, coach, okay, ang dami ko na, meron na po akong 1,000 followers. Ang saya-saya. Tapos 100 po sa kanila super fans ko. Galing, 'di ba? Saya nun, 'di ba? Actually, hindi mo kailangan ng milyong-milyong followers ngayon, guys. Just to have 100 super fans, if you have 1,000 offer, you have 100,000 income every month. Okay? Simple ng math, 'di ba? Diba? So, ay, magaling pala ako sa math. Okay. So, ganun lang no? you need to have an offer. So, pag-usapan natin yan sa mga next topic natin. Plus, what it is, no, na talagang best way, na pinaka-simple, pinaka-madaling gawing product, and sobrang, siya, ito na talaga yung pinaka-high profit margin, no? And I call it the system link, no? So, kung sinong may hawak nitong system link na to, siya yung talagang alam mo yun, siya yung, that's where the money goes. Okay? So, ginagawa yan ng mga airlines ngayon, ng mga hotel, ng mga iba't ibang mga company. So, mas malalim na yun, tuturo natin in the future time. Okay, so why? No? If you don't know how to convert your followers to customers, it will never turn into cash. That is the truth. No? So, aasa ka lang sa YouTube 2 cents, no, per click, etc., no? Nagma-monetize ka star 25 pesos. But I don't think it will make you a millionaire, no? I believe, no? So kailangan talaga, no, meron kang product. And I think nowadays, ngayon nasa $250 billion ang ngayon, ang digital courses ngayon, ang economy ngayon, no? So, grabe, isang fraction lang yun makuha mo, 'di ba? Sobra. Kaya nga I want to help you guys, no? I want to transition you from where you are, no? You will benefit from this by becoming your own Insta coach sa mga businesses nyo ngayon, no? I believe things happen, no? Ito, lagi kong iniisip to, if the Lord permits it, it will happen. Okay? So, sa ngayon, if you love what you do right now with your businesses, go. The knowledge that you're getting from me, pwede nyo gamitin sa mga businesses nyo, no? But when the time comes and you want to be a coach as well, let me know. Okay? Because when the time comes, the Lord will make it happen. O, diba? So, yun, no? You have to actually gradually, no, transition, no, that mentality, no, one day at a time, okay? So, sa ngayon, kung nandyan ka sa phase na yan, I want you to grow your business. But when the time comes, no, you're ready to be your own coach, no, mas malaki na yung gusto mo may impact, kagaya nito, may influence, let us know. Okay? So, 23, okay, we are now on the next slide. Now, that is what we are, no? So, we are going to teach you here, no, how to be your own Insta coach, no, in no time, no? How to build your brand and authority, create content, and convert them into sales. So, sobrang simple, no? 3 steps lang pala, no? You could actually, no, this will change your life, no? Your game plan, no? As easy as ABC, no? Tandaan mo lang to, no? You have to attract, no? By becoming your Insta coach, no? You're building your authority, know, like, and trust. You're attracting your dream audiences and current followers. And then, letter B, no, you build content. As you build content, doon ka nagkakaroon ng mga call to action, etc. And then, conversion happens. So, bakit natin pinahihirapan yung sarili natin? bakit ba ang dami mga student ko, coach, nababaliw na, coach, hindi ko alam magsisimula. Coach, bakit? Di ba sabi ko, teka lang, iisipin ko muna kung saan nanggagaling yung mga hugot ninyo, di ba? Kasi ako man, personally, sabi ko, parang ako lang din yan dati, Ano ba talagang ginawa ko noon, no? How I got here. No? So, as a coach, no, my goal, ang trabaho ko is pasimplehin. Pasimplehin how you could possibly do it. So, tandaan nyo to, Nowadays, mula ngayon, you need to know how to position yourself. That is the shortcut, guys, to be your own Insta coach. How you can do it? Everything that you learn from here, reteach. You don't need to be super intelligent, intellectual human being na super hyper coach, di ba? Uy, sabi ni Coach Princess, there are only 3 steps that you will need in order for you to change your life, no? It's as easy as ABC, no? So, kunyari kung ako to, ikaw ako, no? Ako halimbawa si Ryan Nabarosa, okay? No, nahihiya ako, halimbawa introvert ako, no? Tapos sabi ni Coach Princess, kailangan maging Insta coach na ako. Teka nga. Kailangan mag-create na raw ako ng content. Teka nga, 'di ba? Ay, may natutunan ako sa kanya kanina, no? Ang lupit, no? There are only 3 steps, no, that you need to do to change your game plan. Sige nga, shoot nga ng video. Real estate ka, 'di ba? Live ka ngayon, di ba? Poging-pogi ka sa sarili mo, magna-live ka ngayon, di ba? Isa ka bang, di ba real estate ka bro? Tama ba? Ryan Navarroza. Okay. So, ang kapag Insta coach kayo guys, eto, turuan ko na rin kayo ng mabilisang ninja moves, no? Dalawang target yung customer. Isang bibili ng bahay, isang gustong maging real estate kagaya mo. Yan lagi yung na-attract mo. Tama ba? Tapos kung nasa network marketing ka, isang huhugutin mo sa ibang company na magiging customer mo, tapos isang member na ng mga network marketing na gustong maging kagaya mo maging coach. Tama ba? Laging dalawa yan. Guys, nire-reveal ko na sa inyo. Ayoko na. 'Di ba? Para mabilisan tayo, wala nang pasikot-sikot. So ngayon, no, ikaw ngayon, no? Ako ngayon si Ryan Navarroza, natutunan mo ngayon to. You don't need to reinvent the wheel, no? Hindi mo kailangan alam mo lahat. One step ahead ka lang sa iba, mag-share ka lang ng knowledge, no? Pwede mo nang i-share sa iba. So, for example, video, no? Call the attention of your target customers, no? Let's say, aspiring real estate na gusto maging kagaya mo. Let's say, sabi mo, so, isa ka bang real estate agent and nahihirapan kang i-attract yung mga, let's say, i-attract yung mga dream customers mo na bumili ng mga bahay? Well, this is something that I would like to educate you today. There are actually 3 steps na kailangan mo lang gawin in order for you to attract your dream house buyers on the internet. It's as easy as ABC, no? So first, you need to attract them by building your own authority by becoming your own Insta coach. Okay? So I learned this from my coach and mentor na napakahalaga pala na nagbibigay muna tayo ng value, educate our clients about inflation sa mga bahay ngayon, kung ano na nangyayari, kung saan malapit yung mga, ano na yung nangyayari sa SLEX, ano yung mga malapit na daan, ano na yung mga facilities na nangyayari dito sa subdivision na binebenta natin in order for us to convince our buyer na bumili ng property dito sa area na to dahil na-educate natin sila about the quality of the location and then at the same time, yung na mas magandang bumili ng bahay ngayon during this time. Okay, the next step is letter B, no? We have to keep on building content like this para na-educate natin yung mga target customers natin. And lastly, conversion will naturally happens because we have exposed ourselves on social media by creating content and being a source of value to other people. There you go, aspiring real estate owners. I hope marami kayong natutunan today. This is Ryan Navarroza and thank you so much. You can subscribe to my video. Follow me on my link para sa mga susunod pa mga videos na 3 steps. I hope marami kayong natutunan. Comment down below if you want to learn more. Oh, diba? Wapak, diba? As in, na-share mo yung knowledge mo ngayon, no? As a real estate agent, doon sa mga kapwa mo, aspiring real estate agent, and nakikita ka nila as Insta coach. Ayun ang maganda dyan, no? Yung mga gustong bumili ng bahay, no, sa'yo nabibili. Kasi grabe, nag-share ka ng value, di ba? Dalawa yan two-way lagi yan, no? Isang bebentahan mo ng offer mo, ng product mo, Insta coach ka ngayon, someone na gusto maging kagaya mo. Tama ba? Nagets ba? Nagets ba yung yung psychology doon? So, there you go guys, no? So, network marketing ka, 'di ba? Huwag kayong mag-send ng link ng barley grass. Mabubuisit ako, naiinis na ako sa iba diyan ha. Send ng link sa akin ng mga kung ano-ano ma-offer. Guys, hindi niyo ako mare-recruit. Mahihirapan kang rekrutin ako, no? Lalo na kung wala na talaga akong I need to teach you the things, no? Na kailangan mong gawin. So, eto para ma-recruit mo ko, ganito talaga yung kailangan mong gawin, no? You need to educate me, not by sending me the link, no? I need to see that this company is good, no? But because I'm done with all of this thing, I've been there, done that, no? Mahirapan ka talagang recruitin ako. Pero kung nasa network marketing ka, no? At puposition ka na agad, no? Insta coach, okay? You need to create contents, no, na makakatulong sa mga struggling members na ng isang company, network marketing, and then yung mga gustong magkaroon ng sariling business nila. Yung mga nasa bahay pa lang, open-minded pa lang. Okay ba? Nagets ba? You will do the same thing na ginawa kong example kanina. I hope marami kayong natutunan doon, no? So, let's look back, 6 years ago, no? Tinuro ko na to, no, sa YouTube channel ko, no? So, let's watch the video again, no, para magkaroon kayo ng idea. Okay, 6 years ago to guys, ha? Mukha pa akong ano dito, ewan.
Hey everyone, just a quick tour of the place where I am now. Princess Gumaban po from www.princessgumaban.com. And I have a very amazing topic para sa mga team ko ngayon, no? So solo ko tong buong lugar, walang manggugulo sa akin. And I hope, I'm so excited about the topic today. And ito yung pinaghandaan ko talaga guys para sa inyo, para sa buong team ko. So I hope pump up kayo and excited dahil mabilis lang. Hey everyone, just a quick tour of the place where I am now. Princess Gumaban po from www.princessgumaban.com. And I have a very amazing topic para sa mga team ko ngayon, no? So solo ko tong buong lugar, walang manggugulo sa akin. And I hope, I'm so excited about the topic today. And ito yung pinaghandaan ko talaga guys para sa inyo, para Hey everyone, just a quick tour of the place where I am now. Princess Gumaban po from www.princessgumaban.com. And I have a very amazing topic para sa mga team ko ngayon, no? So solo ko tong buong lugar, walang manggugulo sa akin. And I hope, I'm so excited about the topic today. And ito yung pinaghandaan ko talaga guys para sa inyo, para sa buong team ko. So I hope pump up kayo and excited dahil mabilis lang to before I catch my flight back to Cambodia. Gusto ko kayong iwanan ng isang napakalaking big step and game-changing activities, no, na dapat sundan nyo at gawin nyo. Okay? And mabilis lang to kasi yung naghihintay na yung sasakyan sa baba. Pero gusto ko guys na isa puso nyo, isa loob nyo itong mga ituturo ko sa inyo. And this topic guys will change your life, it's a game changer for all of the things na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo with your business now with Ascending Profit System. And the topic is about how to get results soon, okay, and become a top earner in the next 1 week. Ganun ako ka-sure, okay, na kaya mong gawin to. You will earn your first kaching at kaya mo rin maging top earner. So, ready ka na ba? So, gusto ko na itong mga activities na gagawin mo na to, guys, ay gawin mo talaga siya step by step dahil ito yung ginawa ko. Ito yung nakapag-boost ng income ko. Ito yung eksaktong ginawa ko. So, now, I want you to take down notes. Bilisan mo. I-grab mo yung notebook mo. I-grab mo yung pencil mo dyan. I-record mo to. Itabi mo tong video na to dahil gusto ko na step by step gawin mo siya. So, quick. Okay, I have 15 minutes now. Kailangan mong gawin yung right mindset. The inhale, exhale rule. Okay, pag in-apply mo to sa negosyo mo, you will go a long way. So, paano ba tong inhale, exhale rule? Okay, you have to think, stop thinking na newbie ka. Never, from now on, itigil mo nang isipin na newbie ka, na student ka. You have to think, you are a leader, you are a top earner, you are not a newbie, and you have to think, behave, act, and do. Okay? Number 2, you have to stop consuming. You have to know na may mga time na dapat i-stop mo na the learning process and it's time to teach. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag ko na inhale, exhale rule, and then you will stop inhaling yung pag-aaral, matututo ka, masasaturate yung utak mo, and the time will come na parang na information overload ka na. So, it is time to teach what you learn. And in that way, by teaching, you will look like a pro, you will look like a teacher, a motivator, a speaker, and you will start attracting people. So, maliwanag ba yun, guys? Ito yung tinatawag na karamihan kasi ng mga nasa network marketing, they keep on learning, para sa kanila hindi pa sila enough, for them, newbie pa lang sila, student pa lang sila, so you should stop being a newbie, stop learning for the meantime, and start exhaling. Okay? I-start mo na gawin na mag-exhale ka na, ikaw na yung magtuturo. Okay, ikaw na yung mag-feed ng knowledge sa ibang tao. Start attracting people. Okay, the next step na dapat mong gawin ay number 2 is start marketing. So, paano mo ba gagawin yun? Yung mag-i-start ka na mag-market as soon as possible, no? So, number 1, learn. You keep on learning, but more on application na. Okay, mag-a-apply ka na ngayon. This is what we call turn what you learn into cash. Okay, anything na natutunan mo, anything that you learn, you're going to teach. Ayun yung secret, no? Ituturo mo na siya para dun sa mga target market mo, yung mga networker, OFW, magi-start ka na ma-draw yung attention nila sa'yo. Mahatak mo sila. So, paano mo gagawin yon? Kailangan mong gawin, you have to teach, okay? You're going to teach network marketers. Number 1, teach. Okay, inspire them and motivate them. Okay, so paano mo gagawin yon? How? Ito yung how, okay? How to look like a pro. Magmumukha ka ng teacher, magmumukha ka ng professional, you learn a lot of things, ituturo mo sa kanila. You only need to do this, guys. You just need to be 1 chapter ahead. Okay? So, yun yung secret. Hindi mo kailangang aralin lahat, hindi mo kailangang matutunan mo lahat ng bagay bago ka maging pro, bago ka mag-teach. Yun yung problem sa mga fans club. Okay? Yung mga tagapalakpak lang, ang galing ni upline, ang galing. Ala, ganito na lang sila. You have to step up. Kaya ko rin yan. I can teach, I can motivate, I can inspire people, and I can inspire people, and I can teach what I just learned yesterday. So, isang chapter ahead ka lang, tinuturo mo na agad kinabukasan, and then you will get the attention of people kung sino man yung market mo, like, for example, OFW ba yan? Gusto mong i-share yung story mo, yung life story mo, you wanna motivate them, gawin mo. No, while you're doing your business, shoot a video. Hi, I am Princess. I am doing my business because I know that this is the only way. Okay? I wanna inspire a lot of OFW. So, if you wanna learn, click the button below. Ganun. Okay, you just learned it yesterday, kanina lang, ituro mo agad sa iba. And you will start attracting people. And then now, here are the different ways, okay, to start marketing. Shoot a video, a live or a recorded like this. You can blog, okay, kung gold member ka, magkakaroon ka na ng sarili mong website. And then you can create your own note, okay, sa Facebook page. You can create a post. Lifestyle marketing, guys, is very powerful, okay? Just like this, wherever you are in the restaurant, coffee shop, shoot a video. Napaka-attractive nito kasi nakikita ng tao yung buhay mo. And then next is the escalation method. Ito yung mga without result. You can use other people's result for your own benefit, okay? Napapakita mo sa kanila na wala ka mang resulta sa ngayon. Some other people are making result and you can do the same thing. So magagamit mo yung result nila for it to provide the result for you. Now the next thing is that yun, no, yung sharing your own life story. Okay, when you share your own life story to other people, marami makaka-relate sa'yo. By shooting a video like this, you are starting to attract people, nakikinig na sila sa'yo, and nai-start mo na ma-like ka nila, no, magustuhan ka nila as a person, maniwala sa'yo, and trust. Okay, remember, people join people na naniniwala sila at nagtitiwala sila sa'yo. And then, this is what I call the babababoom cha-ching, okay? You have to apply the babababoom ka-ching kasi once na nagka-kaching ka, shoot a video, tell them you earned 1,000 peso today, and napaka-powerful nun, guys. You can do it in your own life story, yes, I earned it. I can't believe na ganito yung story, yung parang ganun yung makaka-relate yung mga tao sa'yo. So, you can do the same thing like that. Yun naman yung para sa may mga result. Now, okay, you should start posting. Okay, you should start posting 5 to 10 posts a day. So, number 1 rule is that stop minding kaching. Wag mo isipin na magkakaroon ka ng kaching, okay? And wag mo yung pagfokusan. Ang dapat mong pagfokusan ay yung about growing yourself by thinking, behave, act, and do like a leader. So, kailangan mong maniwala na now, you just learned one thing kanina or kahapon sa webinar, may natutunan ka sa akin, pwede ka mag-shoot ng video, wow, ang galing, according kay Sis Princess, ganito pala, ganyan. Shoot a video. Video is very powerful, guys. You can do the same thing now. You can also start, sabi ko nga dito, no, think, behave, act, and do like a leader, and also motivate and inspire other people. Okay, so stop being a student, start being a teacher. The inhale, exhale rule. So now, remember this, guys. People follow leaders, motivators, people who inspire people, not students and not learners. So ikaw, magstay ka ba as a student and as a learner? You have to start being a leader and a teacher, okay? From now on, yan ang way to become top earner, guys. Dahil hindi ka susundan ng tao if you're a student or a leader. Remember that. Be a leader. Okay, now the fastest you shift from being a newbie to a pro, the fastest you will make result. Okay, tandaan mo yan ha. Now, people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. Okay, so the way to motivate and inspire them is to show them you care for them. Especially yung mga OFWs who mo-motivate and nai-inspire mo, no? So, how to be a pro and a leader? Again, teach. You have to teach, okay? You have to inspire a lot of people. So, how to teach? Anything that can be provided, okay? Anything, for example, how to teach anything na kaya mong gawin by giving a solution to their problem. Okay, kung target market mo ay mga network marketers, may natutunan ka kanina lang, nanood ka ng video how to solve your problem, teach them. Okay, by blog, by posting, by video, anything, okay? You should create an inspirational videos, okay? Magturo ka ng mga strategies na pwede mo ituro, motivation, okay? So that is how to teach. And when to start teaching, okay? So yung sagot dyan is as soon as you learn one thing, not all things. Okay? So yung iba naging stagnant, hindi pa ako ganun kagaling, kailangan ko pa matuto. Akala nila they have to be yung sobrang galing, kailangan lahat matutunan nila. No. Merong isang movie na naging hindi siya totoong teacher, nagpanggap lang siya na teacher, pero ang galing lahat ng estudyante niya natuto. Tapos tinanong siya sa US, sabi sa kanya, how did you do that? Sabi niya, I just read one chapter ahead than the students and then I started to teach it every single day. Ganun dapat, guys. Ganun din sa network marketing, no? You can be a leader, you can be a pro, a guru by just learning one chapter ahead than the other and then start teaching it. Okay? Galing, di ba? So, yan yung secret ng mga top earner, guys. Hindi nila alam lahat ng bagay. Pero they are doing what leaders and pros do. So, yung mga newbie na nanatili silang consume ng aral ng aral, akala nila hindi sila great, hindi sila magaling. So, now you know the secret. You have to teach. That's the secret, ha? Now, lastly, use that content to market. Gagamitin mo ngayon yung content na yon to market and attract your target audience para makuha mo yung attention nila. Yun, ganun siya. Gagawin mo ngayon yung content mo para ma-start mo silang maniwala sa'yo, ma-attract at ikaw na ngayon yung may fans club. Okay? Magaling ba? Natututo ba, guys? Now, the best marketer who attracts most leads, okay, and get their attention wins the game. Oh, ha? Diba? Oh, so ngayon, alam niyo na yung secret ng mga top earner, ha? Kailangan mo makuha yung attention nila. So, kung hihiya-hiya ka dyan, lalamya-lamya ka dyan, ako, walang mangyari sa'yo. Okay? So, you have to do what is necessary to be top earner. Diba? Sabi mo nga, diba? Lahat gagawin mo para sa pangarap mo, sa pamilya mo. So, ba't ka mahihiya? So, dapat di ka mahiya. Diba? So, gawin mo to kasi makakabago ka ng buhay ng ibang tao, makaka-inspire ka, and grabe yung catching mo dito kapag marami ka ng fans club, marami ka na natutulungan na tao. Now, be the best marketer, not the best student. So, that's my message to you guys. I have to catch my flight now. Okay, I only have 5 minutes. I hope you learn a lot of things from that. And the next thing I'm going to teach you is about strategy. Okay, more on strategies on how you're going to attract your target market. Okay, yun na nga, yun yung marketing. Pero paano mo magagawa na lahat ng attracted fish mo, mailagay mo sa isang fish pond at may power ka sa lahat ng mga fish na nandun, no? So, paano mo sila lahat matutulungan? There you go, guys. Again, this is Princess Gumabon. Okay, from www.princessgumabon.com. It is my pleasure to teach you and motivate you and teach you exactly what I did, dahil concern ako, gusto kong matutunan ng lahat ng mga kababayan kong Pinoy kung paano from being a newbie, from being walang pag-asa, from being hindi ko alam kung paano, into being a pro now, building my business worldwide, traveling behind my laptop and which is the internet. Okay, now I am in Bangkok, Thailand. Woo, this is the view of my place. I'm leaving now and going to Cambodia soon, flying back to the Philippines, and maybe I'm looking forward na makapunta ako for more holidays in Southeast Asia. Running my business at home, okay, behind my laptop, inspiring a lot of people worldwide. Have a great day, guys. Please follow me sa YouTube channel ko and also to my Facebook page, okay, that is Princess Gumabon. Very easy to find. At lahat ng mga motivational videos ko ay nasa www.princessgumabon.com. Stay blessed and take care. Oh, I have to get my flight soon. I'm gonna be late. Take care and bye.
Okay, so ayun ano. So 6 years ago yan, guys. Nahulog ang cellphone. No? O, 'di ba? Halata naman 6 years ago, 'di ba? Payat pa yung lola mo diyan. O ngayon, balik na natin sa slide kanina. Okay, wait lang ah. Kasi ang daming pagbabago ngayon kay Ecam, and I'm really struggling to catch up with the changes. Ayun, bumalik siya sa una. Just hang on. No? So, in the future time, guys, pwede rin turuan ko kayo mag-present ng ganito, no? Para magmukha kayo mga papogi points sa social media, di ba? Kaya lang, kailangan nyo mag-catch up sa sa technology. Kagaya ko, di ba? Grabe. Minsan gumagana to si Ecam. Ayun, nag-double pa yung cam ko. Tanggalin natin isang cam. So, nasa na tayo kanina, no? I had to show you that 6 years ago, no, tinuro ko na tong isa sa mga sikreto ng mga top earner. No? So, ayun yung reason. No? Sumobra. Just hang on, guys, ah. Ano nakikita nyo ngayon? Yung slide ko? Nakikita nyo ba yung slide ko? Ayun, nandito na tayo ngayon. Yes, coach. Buti naman. So, kanina kasi nagpapa-update si Ecam sa akin. Sabi ko, hindi ko na muna i-update kasi baka matagal mag-update. Hindi maubos na ako sa oras, no? So, there you go, no? Now that you know, no, yung sekreto ng mga top earners is to be an Insta coach, no? Yes, no, makikita ka na nila as authority, build ka ng sarili mong brand, yung effort mo, ikaw ang umaani, 'di ba? Hindi yung iba, no? So, you educate by creating contents, no? You attract them on social media, build desire about your offer, and convert them, no, into sale afterwards. Okay? So, gusto ko kasi, guys, no, na kayo yung umani nung effort nyo. Kasi effort nyo yan eh, no? Hindi excuse na hindi ka marunong mag-create ng content at mag-educate. You'd be foolish, no, if you're not going to copy and reteach what I teach you, na natutunan mo, and share it to the world, no? Every time na may natututunan kayo from now on in this community, no, pwede niyong i-reteach and share it to the world. I'll be happy, no? Sabi nga nila, the greatest kind of flattery is when someone is copying you. Masaya ako kung kokopyahin niyo ako, no? Kasi, sa akin yun, wow, nakikita ko yung mga students ko na talagang ini-implement nila yung mga natututunan nila and mabilis sila mangopya. No? Kasi sa school, tinuruan tayo na kapag nangongopya ka, bad yun, di ba? Ay, kopya-kopya. Anong sagot dyan? Letter B ba? Letter B, di ba? Ganon, di ba? Failing mo, magiging ka doon. No? Mataas yung grade mo. Sa totoong buhay, guys, no, if you model what works, sa mga street smart na mga tao, no, and entrepreneurs, mga self-made millionaire, you will get the same result. Wala akong problema, guys, kung kokopyahin ninyo yung mga natututunan natin. You will create more impact, no? And together, no, mas magiging masaya ako, no, kapag nangyari yun. Okay? So, ikaw na yung gumawa. Walang excuse para sabihin mo na hindi ka magke-create ng content, ayaw mo maging Insta coach, because it's impossible to convert them without you exposing yourself to be a person of value out there. Alright? Talaga may problema si Ikam ngayon, no? Ultimo paglipat ng slide. Ayaw niya. So, there you go. Now, join our mission, no? Mission 5K Free Mastermind. 90 days of free mastermind, no? To convert your followers to customers. Libre ito, no? So, we will focus on attracting, building, and converting them, no? So, let's grow our community to 5K kasi sa ngayon, no, 2.5 pa lang tayo. And the more people na makapasok dito sa group, the more value and knowledge I'm going to share and more topics to discuss. So, paano natin mahihit yung goal na yun? No? Simple lang, no? You can tell your friends, no, and your classmates and everyone to message us at Pinay Boss Academy Facebook page, and then from there, no, bibigyan namin sila ng 15 minutes clarity call para talagang hands-on makatulong ako and makilala ko sila kung para sa kanila ba to or hindi. Kasi baka mamaya hindi ko sakop yung yung problem and solution na gusto nila makuha, hindi rin sila makarelate sa video natin. And then, bibigyan natin sila ng access dito kasi magiging private group community na to. Alright? So, I hope makasama namin kayo dito, no? Comment your thoughts down below, about this lesson. Are you excited to be your best influencer this year, no? So, become your own Insta coach. Let us know, no? I-comment nyo lang dyan sa baba ng video na to. Yung mga topic na natutunan nyo, ano pa ba yung mga topic na gusto nyo malaman, no? How to be an Insta coach. And then, of course, dyan natin gagawin yung mga free content na gagawin natin sa community na to. Alright? So, marami tayong pag-uusapan, no? The next couple of days, gagawin ko lang yung presentation. Maraming myths about becoming your own content creator, an Insta coach, or an influencer now, no? Kagaya ng I have small followings and so much more. Pero yan yung mga pag-uusapan natin in the next episode, no? So, I hope marami kayong natutunan, guys, no? Sa lesson natin today. It's time for me to have my lunch and bubusugin ko naman yung sarili ko with so much food that I need for my health. Okay, and kayo, no, busugin niyo yung mga sarili niyo. Apply na this, no? Kung may napulot kayo, share to the world. Start vlogging now, no? Start creating content to the best that you can. No, pwede kami mag-live. Hindi ka marunong mag-edit, mag-live kayo, no? Mas maganda ang live kasi nakikita binuboost ni Facebook yung nyo, no? Walang excuse ngayon, no? Not to be your own Insta coach, no? Thank you so much. I hope marami kayo natutunan. Tomorrow, pag-uusapan natin yung mga myths, no? If it's available tomorrow or the next day. I will keep you informed. Stay tuned kayo palagi sa Social Selling Mastermind, the chat natin, community, and let me know kung may marami pa kayong mga classmates or fellow companies na ito gusto magpaturo, no? We have until the end of the year, para sama-sama tayo mabusog sa mga learnings and lessons na nandito. Thank you so much, guys. I love you so much, and I really care for all of your dreams. Gawin nyo na, guys, no? If you want to make things happen, my goal as a coach is hanggat nandyan pa yung mga taong mahal nyo sa buhay, dahilan kung bakit nyo ginagawa yung mga business nyo, galingan nyo na, gawin nyo na ngayon. Kasi life is short, diba? And you will never know. Kailangan mag-produce ka na ng result ngayon. You cannot take care of your family if you're not making result, no? If you're not getting everything done. And just to inspire you today, in the last couple of weeks, no, ang best purchase na nabili ko is to buy my grandma and my lola and my mama, no, a new house, a new land, no, sa Aklan, malapit sa Bisaya. Bisaya yun, 'di ba? Malapit sa Boracay, no? 30 minutes drive from Boracay. Actually sa lola ko 'yun, pero pinrocess ko lahat ng titulo ng mga lupa niya, lahat ng mga kailangan ni manahin ng mama, binili ko yung mga property. Ang sarap sa feeling na unti-unti, no, makakatulong ka kasi sa pamilya mo, sa mga mahal mo sa buhay kapag may datong ka. Pag wala kang datong, hindi ka makatulong sa kanila. Pero kailangan din naman, no, para makuha mo yung mga blessing na yon, you need to be a person of value, no? Kailangan si God, nagagamit ka niya bilang daluyan ng pagpapala sa ibang tao, no, through you, pero kailangan may mapala rin yung ibang tao sa'yo. Na-explain ko ba na mabuti yan? And for me, no, the best way is to be an Insta coach. I'm more happier, I'm the best person in this body, no, and I am in my best mood kapag nagtuturo ako. Masaya ako, kahit abutin tayo na ilang oras. Di ba? I'm so happy. And create ako ng content kahapon, nasa hotel ako, di ba? It's one of the best hotel in Fiji Islands. Diyan pumunta si Queen Elizabeth at saka si si hindi si yung anak ni Princess Diana, no? Si Harry, saka yung niya si Meghan. 'Di ba? Doon sila sa hotel na yun napunta. So, nag-vlog ako doon kahapon, no. Lagi kami doon every Sunday, no, kasi maganda yung hotel, kakaiba siya. So, habang nasa coffee shop ako, no, ang ganda, mga music diyan, mga bar. Gumawa ako ng slide presentation. Ganun ko kayo kalab, no? Hindi ko na inintindi yung view. Sabi ko, sige, gagawa ako ng training. Sabi ko, I will commit to give my 90 days time, no? Para from time to time, no, build tayo ng relationship dito, no? Natututo kayo, no? Tapos, ito, nakakapagbigay ako ng time sa inyo. Kasi mamaya, babalik ako dun sa hotel, no? We have, sushi party, yan. Hindi ako mahilig mag-post sa Facebook, no? Minsan naiisip ko, lalo na nung pandemic, guys, no? Pero sa tingin ko, kailangan ng lifestyle marketing ngayon. Do you agree? No, not because you want to yabang-yabang your life, no? But because you want to inspire people. Pero hinay-hinay, guys, kasi hindi lahat ng tao pag nagko-content marketing kayo is yung goal mo is hindi para mang-inggit, to inspire, kasi yun yung gusto ng tao ngayon, 'di ba? Wala tayong magagawa, ang daming ganyan, no? Pabebe, mabaliw-baliw sila diyan, nakikita nila yung. Pero kasi minsan mahalaga rin na nakikita ng tao yung result na nangyayaring pagbabago sa buhay mo through what you do. No, so last pandemic, just to kwento-kwento, 'di ba? Pandemic, hindi ko na pinost yung mga travel ko. Sa totoo lang, no, ang dami ko mga travel, hindi ko na masyado napopost. Bakit? Kasi I sympathize with the people na nahihirapan ng mga time na yon, no? Nandun ka sa magandang lugar, tas marami buong mundo nahihirapan. Inisip ko nun, Lord, hindi tama to, hindi ko dapat gawin to. And then, hindi na talaga ako nag-post, hindi na talaga nakakapag-post, no? Kahit yung mga travel ko sa Europe, hindi ko na-post. Aba, yung mga kaibigan ko nasa Europe, sabi ko, maya-maya, post ng post, Sabi ko, ako focus ako sa mga value content ko, to grow my course, lagi ako nakikinig sa mga podcast, lagi ako gino-grow ko yung skills ko, yung mindset ko, tapos na akong makinig na motivation, tapos na akong, alam mo yun, tapos na ako sa mga storya ng buhay ni Pakundo, na umasenso sa pagiging OFW. Wala na, ayoko na naman ganun. more on mga skills na ako ngayon. Paano ba mag-ganito yung mga ganyan? Paano ba mag-podcast ngayon? Paano ba? Tapos yung mga natututunan ko, ina-apply ko sa sarili ko to grow and build my academy. And then yung mga basic steps, yung mga talagang kailangan matutunan. Kasi intensive yon. Tinuturo ko sa inyo ngayon how you can get result with micro lessons na meron tayo, no? So, masaya ba kayo doon, guys? No? I hope marami kayong natutunan na. Kita-kits tayo sa mga susunod na lesson natin para lumakas yung loob yun na kaya nyo to, no? Pag-usapan natin yung mga myths na yan, unti-unti nating ide-debunk, no? And then, yung mga objections nyo na meron kayong mga hugot nyo dyan, no? Kasi alam kong kaya mo. No, you can be your own Insta coach and your own Insta influencer, at alam kong kaya mo to. No, you can change your life and the lives of the people that you love, no, as soon as possible. Okay? Kaya niyan, guys. Now, have a great day. Love you all and be blessed. No, be a blessing to other people. Start being your own Insta coach. Bye.